Hey guys, Ryan here, Rocket Outdoors. There's Fitchick.
Hi.
Well, it's Saturday and we're under a winter storm warning. We're up in New Hampshire. We're supposed to get clobbered with some snow. Basically the first snow of the year. So we decided, well, let's go hike a mountain or two. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just parked and we're headed up Whiteface Mountain. So we may do Piper Mountain as well. We'll see how it goes. Supposed to start snowing basically any minute. So it'll be an adventure. All right, let's see how it goes. Hi Fitchick, which way do you want to go?
Oh God,
Do you want to go to Piper or Whiteface?
I'm gonna punch you in the face.
Which way? Right, left? You're the navigator.
Right.
Okay, we're going right.
Because I'm always right.
What do you need, Fitchick?
I need you to take another picture.
All right, I have photography duties to do, so I'll see you in a minute. See the little slicking spots. There's like patches of ice all over the place. And a little bit of snow on there. Fitchick put her ice cleats on.
Sure did.
I have mine, but I ain't gonna throw them on yet. I'll tough it out.
Don't look at me.
Why? Do you have a glove in your mouth and you're Facebooking,
No?
Instagramming?
What are you talking about? I was checking the what is it called?
What? What were you checking?
The stock.
Oh.
The stock market is plummeting right now.
It should be going up because of all the bread and milk being sold.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God, we gotta get bread and milk. We better get out of here, quick!
Yeah, we forgot the bread and milk. Holy shit.
I know.
How did we forget that?
All right, let's keep going.
Stop it.
Enough shenanigans.
No, that's what I live for, though. Rocking your jumping and dancing all night.
They're gonna find a spot to hang out and cook some food up.
You brought the hammock?
Ah! Almost fell through the ice. Ah!
Oh my God.
We just brought some packet gourmet meals, like a tortilla soup and some what is it, shepherd's pie, something? I don't know. I brought like a little propane stove. You're not supposed to have fires up here, so I didn't bring the twig stove or anything like that. Just brought the little rocket stove.
Are you saying words right now?
Yes, I'm talking sentences, actually.
Oh.
And I make some coffee. Actually, Lindsay brought a big beer, too.
What?
A beer.
Well,
So,
yeah, have a beer.
Yep.
Oh, shit.
So that's
Today's
food.
got better.
I brought like a tiny little
Surprised
tarp.
myself.
But I don't know if I'm going to set it up. Probably not. This is so weird up here. It's like all grassy. Yeah. It's kind of cool, though.
Is that a fire pit? That's a fire pit.
Yeah, there's a fire pit. I'm not supposed to have fires up here, but yeah. Okay, we went over the other side of the mountain, went down a little bit, and the Mark Trail ends. So we're just walking back up here to the highest point, and we're gonna chill for a few minutes, take a couple pictures, and then I think we're gonna head back and take the Piper Trail over to north and south peak of Piper Mountain, and just keep tracking. Huh? I'm blind.
Blind.
What do you want to do, baby?
Take pictures. What are you doing?
Want to make some coffee?
Why do you have freaking... No, I don't. I want beer. Who wants coffee now?
It's cold.
It's afternoon.
Coffee.
You have your damn coffee. I'm having beer.
Right now? No. We'll wait till the next mountain. Till it's really snowing. Say bye. Okay, I'm gonna put ice cleats on. Just took a digger right there. It's all glare ice. So I got my Gatula little ice cleats.
I'll laugh if you trip over.
Yeah, I know. You have no problems laughing at me.
Not at all.
Okay. What are you singing, Fitchick? Black Penny?
Yeah, doesn't everyone like make songs up about their dog?
still going. We don't know if we reached the Piper Summit or not. Kind of seemed like it. This trail goes to Mount Belknap too, so we don't know if we're headed to Belknap or if we're still looking for the peak of Piper. This way. It's still green blaze, but I have to check the map and see if it changes.
I see summit.
I think we're at the top.
A picnic table made out of stones.
See, there's a thing.
Oh, there's a chair.
Wrong trail.
What's a chair?
Where?
It's a throne.
Huh? Oh, yeah. The Carnes a chair.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool. There's a picnic table made
My
of stone.
throne.
Look at that butt.
Perfect.
King of the mountain.
Woman.
Well, queen of the mountain. How's that?
Queen? Yeah, that's right.
Sure, there would be a good view here if you could see it.
I don't know.
Well, we did hit the summit of Piper. Now we're walking back a little bit. We're gonna go into the woods, out of the breeze and stuff. Try to find a spot to stop and put some extra clothes on, and we'll make up some coffee and some food and stuff, and drink a beer and chillax a little bit. Hey, a little spot here. It came down all the dicey sections, so now it's pretty easy going. I wanted to do that before the snow got any deeper. So we stopped here, a little stone wall going through, and make some food and stuff. So get stuff unpacked, and I'll check in with you in a minute. Okay. Got some water boiling up here, heating up. I brought actually the Primus little pocket stove. It actually works really good. It's a little more wind resistant than some of them. And I just got a pot of water. I'm just gonna make up some packet gourmet shepherd's cottage pie, seasoned ground beef, garden vegetables, and cheddar mashed potatoes. It's a couple different packets. Just add a little water to each, let them sit. Mix it up, good to go.
You want to see what I'm eating?
Lindsay's eating a Coors Light gigantic can.
Yes, yes.
Crack that thing open.
I can't have gloves.
Oh.
Do it for me. Exactly how I planned it.
Yeah, right. Lindsay got these new gloves she's trying out. They're Mountain Hardwear, like extreme mittens.
They're sick.
They're awesome.
Yeah. I get very, very cold in these work.
That's cool. Can I have a sip of that? You're gonna hog it. I was gonna make coffee, but of course light. I was gonna make coffee.
Exactly, you psycho.
We're actually standing here right in the middle of the trail. You can see the blaze right there. But there's nobody out here. For sure. So we're just gonna stop and have a little food before we hike the rest of the way out. Kind of enjoy the snow. Yeah, look at Lindsay's hat. You get the cat eye makeup going. You know, like a stripe on the side of your eye. It's cute.
That's awesome.
I love it. I love it.
Not intentional.
It's so gorgeous out here. It's quiet as anything. I don't hear a sound. Went from bear to a winter wonderland. Driving home's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Okay, I heated up the water, put it in there with the mashed potatoes and the gravy. Looks pretty like vomit. But I'm gonna let it sit for a little while longer in this thing. It's getting dark and real cold, so we just dressed up a little bit more, and I think we're gonna start hiking down some more. So we'll see you in a few. And we're walking out of here. Snow's piling up. It's getting dark. as you can see. I mean, it looks pretty bright on the camera, but be getting out of here just in time. We just got back through the intersection of the two trails. Now this is the main trail down to where we parked. You can tell the contrast between when the video started and it looked like a nice fall day, and turns to this.
Winter Wonderland.
Yep. The old brook. Can't even see you.
Nope.
Well, here's the truck. We made it. Okay, we're headed out of there. This is what we're up against now. I don't know if you can see the snow coming down, but it's pretty treacherous driving. We got about, well, without snow, about an hour and a half ride back home. So with the snow, probably got a couple hours. Hey guys, well I just wanted to put an end to that video of us hiking Piper and Whiteface Mountain. Last night when we left, it was snowing like crazy, and it took us a little over 2 hours to get home, and traffic was really slow. We saw like, I don't know, 6 cars off the road, 2 of them on their roofs. It was bad. It was bad driving. So we're in the backyard today. I just cleaned up all the snow in the driveway and stuff, and we just came out back. Lindsay got a new hammock and actually an Outdoor Vitals underquilt / mummy pod that we wanted to set up and kind of try out, and she's in it now. We just finished setting it up. It's pretty cool. For the price, especially, we got one Black Friday, and the sales are really good. I think normally they're only like $180 for the underquilt. It's down, it's like a 20-degree bag, which you can use as a sleeping bag, an underquilt, or a mummy pod system, which it kind of zips up like a sleeping bag right around the hammock. It's pretty cool. You can check it out.
Hi. Toasty.
So she's gonna try that out. We had fun yesterday. It was a good time. I know I didn't get to film much. I know we stopped and made some food. I made that shepherd's pie from Packet Gourmet, and I didn't film any of us trying it out. We did eat it, and it was very good, like very good. It was like mashed potatoes and gravy and vegetables, and it's just like shepherd's pie. It was really, really good. So I recommend the Packet Gourmet stuff. I have a few more that I'd ordered online that we're going to cook up sometime. I think I have like a tortilla soup and a beef stew and that kind of stuff. So I think as far as dehydrated meals go, they seem a little bit better quality, and I think they're a little bit better for you. It's all natural ingredients and stuff. So check those guys out, Packet Gourmet. I think it's packetgourmet.com. So I guess that's about it. Well, if you all made it through the video, thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more stuff. Like, share, subscribe on both me and Fitchick's Instagram. I'm at Rockett Outdoors and her at Fitchick Adventures. And stay tuned for the next video. I think next weekend we're going to be staying at a cabin up in northern Maine. Like a little hermit cabin almost. There's a wood stove and stuff in there, and we'll bring you along for that. It should be a good time. So stay tuned for that video. Subscribe, hit push notifications, and Rockett Outdoors and Fitchick Adventures out. Thanks for watching.